Unlock a hidden code to score a legendary pet and adopt me. Enhance your pet collection like a pro. Hey, Roblox adventurers. Want a legendary pet and adopt me without spending a dime? I've got the secret code just for you. Type Legendary Pet 2023 in the promos section, and watch magic happen. Let's dive into the details.
Legendary pets aren't just about looks, they're a status symbol. Show off your unique pet, unlock cool tricks, and become the envy of your friends. Ready to shine like a star and adopt me? Boom! You've unlocked it. Meet your new legendary pet, the Phoenix. Watch it soar and dazzle everyone around. This pet is not just a companion, it's your new best friend in Adopt Me. Want more codes? Head over to Roblox forums and join player communities. These spots are gold mines for exclusive content and codes. Be in the know and always stay ahead and adopt me.
Level up your legendary pet by teaching it new tricks. The more you interact, the more rewards you unlock. Don't forget to style it with cool accessories. Show the world your amazing pet skills.
Since using this code, I've become the ultimate pet master. Everyone's asking how I did it. Now it's your turn. Try it out and let me know in the comments. And hey, subscribe for more epic secrets each week.